Don't cry or I will cry. I will avoid. Ah! What? What?
Hey everyone! I'm going to walk you through how I painted Gayle from Animal Crossing. Gayle is one of my favorite characters. She's such a cutie! I really love her and her sweetness. So I work in Clipstudio, and I start with a super messy undersketch. I'm really surprised anyone can read this but me. It's so messy, I do wonder. Then I go ahead and I make myself a clean line art sketch. I really hesitate to call these things line arts because I tend to paint over them much later in the process, as you'll see. But it's definitely more readable than my messy undersketch. Here I'm laying down my flats. I try to use the eyedropper tool and a really decent reference picture when I'm taking them. When I do shading, I tend to pull colors using hues already there. So for example, while the leaf is green, I won't just color it in a darker green for shading. I'll use blues from the top, or I'll color the top with pinks from the skin, because everything reflects light and that ends up reflecting colors too. I'm one of those crazy people who only works on one layer. I know plenty of artists that work on 20 plus, but I find that one layer is just the right amount for me. So here I'm using the Airbrush Tool, and I'm using this Airbrush Tool to pull colors from one section and add them into another. I do this a lot when I'm wanting to add really soft transition zones. I don't really like having very sharp edges, unless it's to define like a very clear shadow. So I only really use 3 sets of brushes. I'll use the airbrush tool, the line art pencil tool, and I'll also use a set of brushes from Clipstudio Assets. This is my main tool. I use this to paint, I use this to do the equivalent of line art, and I even use this to smudge. It's really good. Hearts everywhere. Everywhere! One of the ways that people can emulate really bright poppy colors easily is to take the art layer that they've done, copy it, and then set it to overlay and adjust from there. You end up getting these really great saturations and these wonderful highlights. I really recommend it. Give it a go. So because it was raining, I decided for more of a stormy themed background. My island has been raining non-stop for the last 2 weeks. I feel like anytime I pick up my Switch, it's even darker and grayer. I haven't seen butterflies in months. Final steps include using overlays, using color dodge, and just touch-ups. I always find that as I feel like, I'm done, I'm never really done. Never. It never finishes. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint Gayle from Animal Crossing. She turned out so cute, so much cuter than I actually expected. If you want to see me draw live, come to twitch.tv/scarlet_song. I hope to see you there!
That was too much pink, but oh well. I will fix that up. Am I halfway past my goal? Wait, what? I did what? What? Who put money in? Hang on. What? I'm reading the ticket now. I was away. What? Random Jojo, Dawn Allies. Did somebody else put money in? What? Snick, what? Thank you. That's so sweet. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. What? Don't cry or I will cry. I will avoid. Ah! What? What? Hang on. Sorry if I'm blowing out the mic. What? Hang on, what? That's not... I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna be good, so... Because if I do... I'm not supposed to be swearing on this stream, and you're very lucky I'm not. Oh my god, what the hell? You're so nice.